Don't personalize or internalize other people's behavior. What they do is not a reflection of you. Their actions represent them and where they are at in their growth. Just observe instead of getting caught up and overreacting emotionally. Don't lower your frequency to play games and become a part of a toxic cycle. Revenge depletes your energy and steals from you. Move forward. What you remove your attention from will cease to exist. Get better, attract better. You are too great to entertain such energies. React with love. Sometimes that means retaliating with understanding and compassion. Other times it means retaliating with acceptance and shared silence. What it is, make sure it benefits you as a human being instead of lowering you into a position which you would rather not be in. Normal people don't go around destroying other human beings. Only those who are hurt, lost, and confused cause pain. Don't be one of them. Just take the lesson and move on gracefully. Next time you feel wrong, just let go, surrender. Don't get angry or sad and depressed because something didn't work out like you thought it would, or things didn't go as planned, or somebody didn't live up to your expectations. People will always do what they want, and it's not your place to suffer or try to force them to be how you want to them to be. That takes too much energy, and we all know how much effort it takes to even change our own self. However, the moment you change the focus back on yourself and think you want, something magical happens. Letting go and allowing instead of being resistant and fearful actually attracts to you exactly what it is that you want. Surrender to the universe and allow yourself to be guided to your soul's purpose. When you decide to not react to people's nonsense, you decide to take full control over your life. You decide how you want to feel rather than becoming a button for people to push. Don't ever let anyone close your heart and mind to the endless possibilities that life has to offer you. Don't give people that kind of power over you. Comment if you choose to elevate higher from all drama and problems.